Hello friends, I am Dr. Vikas Verma. Friends, as you appreciate in this video, an Ilizarov Frame Removal process is going on. You can appreciate that it is removal in the deep sedation or general anesthesia. Sometimes patients are so apprehensive that they cannot allow removal of the frame in local anesthesia or without anesthesia. It is a routine process for us to remove Ilizarov frame without any anesthesia. Or sometimes patients have these kind of wires. It is a Ilizarov olive wire which have bead inside the wire, and it used to hold the bone when we drill it throughout the bone. When we apply a frame in a foot, we routinely apply olive wire in this foot frame, and when we wires in this foot frame is significantly painful, so we can remove it in deep sedation, general anesthesia or spinal anesthesia. Thank you.